Alright, I'm going to attempt to film my second flight of the day. Achoo! God bless me. This is my Cessna TTX. This is a Cessna that was produced by Cessna after they acquired Textron. And they continue to make these low-wing Cessnas. Actually bought a Cessna, another one that's like this. It's a later model, but I haven't taken it out of the box yet. At any rate, I've flown it before. It flies pretty good. And we'll see what happens today and whether or not I get it on film or not. Film is rolling.
Low power.
Right turn, left, up and down, right and left, and flaps are working. Throttle is on. Small plane for a grass field, but come on, baby. I think the nose wheel went cockeyed. Alright, we're not going to get a flight out of this today. Nose wheel must have taken a punch from the grass. Oh well.
Yep.
Alright, we're going to try for our second flight of the day with Mr. P-47. Mr. Cessna TTX did not work out. We're going to have to do some repairs at home.
Low power.
Whoa!
Yeah. That was a little on the hairy side.
Not really. Whee! Let's see what happens when I put on safe. Oh, did you see how that leveled right off?
Yep.
That's as far as you can bank. Let go of it and it goes level. Let go of it and goes level. You gonna fly?
Nah.
Oh, why am I on safe then? Whoa! Definitely have to readjust that elevator.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
She's just gliding now. That's a rudder turn, no aileron.
Uh-huh.
No, it doesn't have enough speed to take that loop without no power. Zoomo. I like this plane. Flies pretty neat.
That's a nice looking plane too.
I think I'll come around for a low pass. Put down one notch of flaps, make it a low pass. Come on, come on, come a little closer. Come a little bit closer, you're my kind of airplane. Zoom. Flaps up. See, as soon as I put the flaps up, did you see it pitch up?
She porpoised.
You got quite a bit of nose up.
Really?
Eventually I'll get it right. Hopefully before I destroy it. Tell you what, if I destroy it, I'm buying another one. Loop-de-loop. Pierre de loop-de-loop.
Andrew's got 2 of them.
Andrew has 2 of these?
Yeah.
The E-Flight job?
I think one is Eflite, another one is
Flightline, FMS.
yeah, it's FMS is the other one.
Did I tell you I ordered a new jet from
No.
Motion?
No, you didn't.
Well,
Like
it was.
You need another airplane. Like
Yeah,
that.
but it was a nice jet, an F-22, and it was priced very attractively, and it had one other very attractive thing that I was really interested in, and that was it's not in stock. So
Remember, you got a little battery in there.
yeah, I'm getting ready to come in. I'm going to drop the gear here. Call this a gear pass. I'm going to get a little closer so when I drop the gear, hopefully they'll be able to see it. There it is. Alright, we'll take it around and we'll come in for a landing. I got one notch of flaps down. I'm going to just leave it like that.
It looks pretty stable. Nice
Time
landing,
remaining
nice
1
landing.
minute.
I love the bounce. That was pretty neat. Flaps up. Whoa.
Whoa, don't do that.
Whoop. Whoop. Alright, let's see if we can't get a handle on this here and do this the right way. That was embarrassing.
Oh, there's something stuck in our wheels.
30 seconds.
I don't think there's anything wrong with the wheel. It's just
The grass is too high.
the grass is not very high though, to be honest
20
with you.
seconds.
That one wheel is stuck there, Rick. Let me
Well,
go move it.
stuck now. That wheel must have found a hole.
Something. It looks like it's cocked in this way.
Timer expired.
That was a 5-minute flight. Well, 5 minutes just now.
It's okay, but that wheel...
Does everything look like it's lined up properly? The wheels don't look twisted, do they?
They're all lined up, you're right.
So this wheel over here has got to be in a little hole.
Yeah, it was.
All right, point it back towards the, and we'll see if we can't taxi her back.
Hard to steer when the ass is jumping up in the air.
I'm holding the full up elevator too.
It's the grass, I'm telling you.
Well, look at how much up elevator I got, and I don't know why that is. Never had a problem taxiing this bad boy
It's
before.
stuck. It's stuck. Not good. I'm picking it up.
All right, just carry it. I'm turning off the film. Say goodbye, Al.
Bye.